Here's PECRA app, digital camera effect. Polish every photo, DSLR quality portraits, perfect photo lighting, professional portrait photos. Upgrade any photo, polish your photos. So camera style lighting applied to your photos, clean and natural. Post ready photos with consistent results. Quite well done app, growing through the charts. Here is you can see then you can see $90 a year, $9 per week. So here's, for example, you can do white balance, just, do it like that. Saturation, I mean, it's kind of like Photoshop. Detail, clarity, sharpness, effects, light, crop, and then you can just tap to develop. But then it's just you need to upgrade, obviously. But that's kind of the idea, how you can just use it. It's super easy to get started. You can see all of these photos in here, which you see the changes with this app. And then, you can also see the details, quickly highlights the whole community, which you can just share. And so super easy app to get started. And that's kind of the idea.